my wings, everyone. They are done from the Ninja Foodi. Like I said, it would take 20 to 25 minutes because of the size of the wings that I have. If you have smaller wings, trust me, it will only take about. Okay, everyone, so the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my wings for the Super Bowl. Here are my wings. You're going to need some wings. I got drumettes and wing parts. I will be using Buffalo Wild Wings fan favorite sauces. We got garlic parmesan, honey barbecue, and Asian zing. And also they have medium sauce buffalo. You will need some cornstarch, some Slap Your Mama seasoning, or any type of Cajun seasoning. I'm going to use some garlic and herb seasoning, some black pepper, and I will be using some Crisco spray. And the air fryer that I will be using is my Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to use it under the tender crisp lid. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is wash your wings. These wings kind of had some fat on them, so I had to trim some of the fat off. I got these at Walmart, so you know, we're kind of short on wings, so that's why they look big and ugly. Also, you need to pat dry your wings after you wash them, because you don't want wet wings. They won't cook properly. So I'm going to go in with some black pepper, about a tablespoon of black pepper. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with my Cajun seasoning, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of that, or half a tablespoon. And also I'm going to go in with my garlic and herb seasoning. Okay. Now, after we get our garlic and herb seasoning in, what we want to do is toss our wings around to make sure that we get seasoned, coated on our chicken. Now I'm going to go in with some cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help it get crispy. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use a small amount of flour. Okay, and we're going to toss this around. I'm going to use a hand and get this on all of our chicken. Make sure that it's coated very well in the cornstarch. Okay, so I'm going to turn my Ninja Foodi on. I am going to go under my tender crisp lid. Have it set to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to set this for 20 minutes. This is how long we're going to cook our wings. So on the inside, you're going to spray with some spray. I'm using Crisco oil, you're using canola oil or vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever kind of spray you have. And then you're going to place your wings in here, leaving some space. With the amount of wings that I have, we are going to cook these in 2 different batches, and make sure that you leave space in here and don't crowd the pan too much. Okay, so now that we have these in here, we're going to spray some on the top, some of the Crisco on the top of our wings. We're going to close this, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to start. And we'll be back in 6 minutes to turn our wings on. Okay, so we've allowed them 6 minutes on one side. After 5 to 6 minutes, just go ahead and flip it over. And then we will be back in the halfway process, which will be after they have cooked for at least 10 minutes. Okay, this is after cooking the wings for 10 minutes. Remember, we turned them over after the 5 to 6 minutes mark. So now I'm going to turn them over again. And I'm going to cook these for about 10 more minutes. As you can see, they're getting a little color on them now. And you just want to keep flipping them, checking them, and flip them throughout the process. It shouldn't take more than 20 to 25 minutes to cook your wings thoroughly. These are big wings. As you can see, if one spot is cooking faster than the other, just move your wings around in your air fryer. And remember, my air fryer is the Ninja Foodi air fryer. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish cooking these wings the rest of the way, and I'll be back once they're completed. Okay, so I'm going to pour the Buffalo Wild Wings medium buffalo sauce into a bowl. It is very tasty, y'all, and it packs heat, so you don't need a lot to add anything else to it. You don't have to add any more heat to it. Okay, they're nice, they're crispy. Y'all see that? Nice and crispy, straight out the air fryer. So go ahead and just drop your wings on in the sauce. Go ahead and toss your wings around in the sauce. Get them nice and coated. So here we have it, everyone. We have us some buffalo wings, medium buffalo wings. Using Buffalo Wild Wings sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is going to be a delicious recipe. Please stay tuned to my channel for another video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Please share this video out, and make sure that you hit the notification bell. And these are some great wings, simple and easy, and it's cost friendly. It doesn't cost a lot of money. It's cheaper than going in Buffalo Wild Wings.